We have reached Nusa Penida and will be checking into our hotel now. Now in this vlog, we'll explore a property that offers a great view, a great location and comes under the budget as well. Just look at this drone shot. How amazing is that? This property is right near the beach, it has its own swimming pool and the area around it is lively and convenient. There are a lot of cafes and restaurants within walking distance. So before we dive into the stay itself, let's quickly talk about the areas in Nusa Penida in case you are planning your first trip. If you're a first timer and looking for easy access, restaurants and everything close by, you should definitely stay near Toya Pakeh, Ped or Sampalan. But if you are someone who prefers a more relaxed atmosphere, sunrise views and a break from the crowd, then areas like Suana or Batununggul are perfect. Also, I love the location, which I think is a great mix of both peace and accessibility. The breakfast menu is also great, simply but tasty, and the best part is that it's served with a sea view. The only downside is that the resort don't have an in-house kitchen beyond breakfast, so you can't order lunch or dinner here. But that's not a big issue since there are plenty of restaurants just across the road. Talking about the room, it was decently sized, not too big, not too small. You get exactly what you pay for. But for everything, it was clean, well maintained and comfortable for a short stay. So if you're planning a peaceful trip to Nusa Penida and want a beachfront stay without breaking the bank, Pandawa Beach Resort is definitely worth considering. Check out my next video where I'll be exploring a cool cafe which is very nearby. Thank you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more such travel guides and honest hotel reviews.